Welcome to How to Draw Anything. Today we're drawing a dragon in 8 simple steps. Grab a pencil and some paper and let's go. Step 1. Shape the dragon. Begin by drawing a circle for the dragon's head and an oval for its body. Keep your pencil strokes light and easy, as these shapes will guide the rest of your drawing. This step sets the foundation and helps us see the dragon's overall form. Step 2. Find the center. Next, draw a vertical line through the head circle and a horizontal line across the body oval. These lines help us find the dragon's center and guide the placement of features like the eyes and wings. They're like a map for our drawing. Step 3. Outline the dragon. Now use your initial shapes to outline the dragon more clearly. Connect the head circle and body oval with smooth, flowing lines. This step starts to give your dragon its unique silhouette, turning simple shapes into a creature. Step 4. Add major features. Using the center and cross lines as guides, add the dragon's eyes, mouth, and wings. This is where your dragon starts to come to life, as these features define its character. Remember to keep your lines light and exploratory. Step 5. Detail the dragon. Now it's time to add details like scales, claws, and any other features you want your dragon to have. These details add texture and personality, making your dragon more realistic and interesting. Enjoy this creative part of the process. Step 6. Finish with line weight. Finally, go over your drawing, pressing harder to darken the final lines. Vary the line weight to add depth and emphasis, making some lines thicker for shadow and others thinner for light. This step gives your dragon a polished, finished look. Step 7. Add tone and shade. Time to learn tone. Decide where your light comes from and imagine it shining from the top left. Now shade the opposite side with the side of your pencil in soft, even layers. Shading is what makes your drawing feel round instead of flat. Step 8. Finishing touches. The last minute is where the magic happens. Press harder on the outer contour so it stands out, and keep the inside lines thin and soft. Add a few short strokes for texture and give the drawing a soft shadow to sit on. And you're done. Well drawn. Want to turn your own photo into a lesson just like this one? Visit howtodrawanything.app. See you at the next drawing.